In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a new campaign set up and ready for your team to organize assets and track performance in one place. First, sign into your HubSpot account and head to your account's home screen. From the main navigation at the top, open the marketing menu and choose Campaigns. This brings you to the Campaigns dashboard, where you can see existing campaigns and create new ones. Look for the Start a Campaign button and click it to begin. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions or switch to the correct HubSpot account. When HubSpot asks how you'd like to build your campaign, choose I'll do it myself for a straightforward, manual setup. Next, pick Start from scratch so you're working with a clean slate and total control. Then click. Next, to move into the campaign details. Give your campaign a clear, consistent name. A helpful approach is to combine the theme, audience, and time frame, like Spring Promo, SMB, Q2. A strong naming convention makes reporting easier and helps teammates quickly find and understand the campaign later. Select a color for the campaign. This doesn't affect performance, but it's useful for visual organization. When you attach assets like emails, landing pages, or ads, that color cue helps you spot campaign items fast in lists and reports. Choose something distinct from other active campaigns to avoid confusion. Assign a campaign owner. This should be the person responsible for keeping the campaign moving. Approvals, timelines, and alignment across channels. Setting an owner clarifies accountability and makes it easy for others to know who to contact. Set your campaign start date and end date. These dates frame your reporting window, so pick a start date that matches when assets will begin going live, and an end date that reflects when promotion wraps up. Double-check your time zone settings in your account if timing is critical for launches. In the campaign audience field, briefly describe who you're targeting. Think demographics, industry, role, or intent. This isn't the same as building a list. It's a concise reference that aligns messaging and targeting decisions across your team and helps everyone stay focused on the same people. Add campaign notes to capture goals, key messages, primary channels, and any important links or definitions your team might need. Treat this like a mini brief so new collaborators can get up to speed quickly. Finally, click Create. Your campaign shell is ready, and you can start associating assets, tracking results, and optimizing over time. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.